had to wear my kissy shirt to show you guys how to get a bulletproof red lip. This was a highly requested video about how to get a red lip that will not go away. My friend Katie and I were talking, and she was like, oh, you look so good with a red lip because of your blonde hair. And I said, I think brunettes look better with red lips because sometimes I think I look too harsh with a red lipstick on because of my blonde hair. She was like, no. And I was like, no. It made me think, who looks better with red lipstick, blonde or brunettes? Like, I love a dark-haired girl with a red lip. Ugh, but then I hear brunettes say the same thing about blondes. I think everyone looks good with a red lip. I don't know what to say. I love red lipstick. It's the easiest way. I mean, I don't have any eye makeup on besides mascara on right now. And I feel like the red lip makes me look super put together. I'm feeling super lippy today. I'm feeling super chatty today. I wonder what. You have all the tools to make your red lips perfect and stay all night right in front of you. You just don't know how to put them together yet. It's gonna look awesome now. I'm gonna take you guys zoomed in a little further onto my lips, so excuse the very intimate way we're gonna get to know each other soon, but I want you to really understand how to get that perfect red lip. So I like to start by using my lip liner. I'm gonna use Urban Decay's Shade and Gash. It's a little darker than the red I am going to use all over my lips. And I start on my bottom lip, and in really small strokes, not one line, just create the shape. Since this shade is a little darker on the outer corners to create a sort of ombre effect, I am lightly shading. And then taking the pencil onto my upper lip. So some people like to use their lip liner all over. I kind of create a border. It looks crazy until I do the lipstick. This red from TATCHA is not only so beautiful, it looks like a gem, but it has the perfect amount of red and orange undertones. Really, really bright. I love it. I'm using a really dark liner, but then a bright lipstick color. So you can see that the purpose of using a darker lip liner on the corners was to create a fuller looking lip without having to overline. Because I have the darker perimeter, it helps to look really bright in the center and create a very full lipped look, but it's still using the natural shape and size of your lips. The next step is so important. I take a clean Kleenex and blot. And then I kiss it. I don't know why, that's just to me the most effective way to blot. So I just keep kind of kissing it until it feels slightly dry. I don't like my red lips to look too perfect. I don't like it to look like a stamp on my face. I want it to be a little more blurred, a little bit more lived in. In order to achieve that look, I just take a clean Q-tip and go right around the edges. Now, in the corners where I went a little overboard, the best way to clean that up is to just take a little bit of makeup remover and wipe it away. To make the lip really, really pop, I love to take a concealer brush and a little bit of my concealer, and I'm gonna use my Bye Bye Under Eye. This also helps them to look very, very full. Now, I want the red to look the same, this high impact, super pigmented red, but still stay on all night. So I'm going to take a translucent powder. I'm using this one from Christopher Buckle. I love this powder, I use it all the time. Take the smallest bit, just another tissue paper, and I just dab powder onto my lips. Okay, now I'm doing my third round of taking my lipstick color and tapping it on just to the center. I'm barely putting any pressure. The reason why I prefer to use this technique over a liquid matte is because A, it's easier to work with. Liquid mattes, you're stuck with what you have. If you mess up, it's really hard to take away. And B, I find that this makes my lips have a kind of petal effect where they look very velvety. Sometimes a liquid matte can look a little harsh on my skin. I'll show you guys onto our clean napkin. Mwah! No red. Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, let's see if I have my teeth. Nope, I'm okay. Like this video and make sure to tell me what you want to see more of in the comments. Subscribe to Beauty IQ and make sure that you're following me, Sloane QVC, for more.